it's a concentrated flavor. So on this little sachet, which is around 9 grams, I can make up to 3 liters of drinks. I don't like it very sweet, so I do make 3 liters of drink out of it. And the best thing to do this, if you have something like that. That's a 3 liter little dispenser. What you have to do is fill up with water, which I will demonstrate, and it's very, very simple to do. This is 1.5 liter. And it's absolutely perfect when you have guests over, you have a barbecue, you have kids around, and you don't want to worry about heavy lifting of 3 liters or other drinks. You put this little sachet, and voila. I'm just gonna stir it in 2 seconds. Put a bit of ice. Nice and cool, chilled, and ready to serve. And that's all you need when somebody turn up in your party, in your house. In 2 seconds, you have a sugar-free, gluten-free iced tea peach for your friends and family.